Let me ask you a question. Do you have areas in your life where you don't have completion? Yes, then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the Life Skills Coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to take you through an exercise which will help you to get completion so that you don't waste your energy and become more productive. Things that are left incomplete rob us of our energy. For example, maybe you had a fight with someone 10 years ago, but you never did anything about it, you didn't get completion. Maybe you had an issue with someone, but you didn't do anything, you didn't deal with it. Or maybe you started a project, but you never completed it. So let's do an exercise. So first I want you to go and grab a piece of paper and pen and come back, and then I'll tell you what to do. Here's what I want you to do. Make a list of all the areas in your life where you don't have completion, right? All those areas where things are incomplete, where it is like an open loop, right? You should be able to fill up one full page. It should take you about 5 to 10 minutes. So please go and do it. So stop this video, go and make your list. Come on, get up, I'm watching you. So come back when your list is ready. Good, welcome back. So how do you feel looking at the list of things you left incomplete? Some may be physical, some may be emotional, and some may be logical. Now go through the list and prioritize according to what's robbing you of your most energy, because those are the ones we want to go after first. Use the 80-20 rule. Find the 20% things that are sucking 80% of your energy. So what do? Either you go and get some completion or just let it go. Let me give you an example. Let's say that somebody didn't pay you for the services you rendered to them. So one option is you can find the best lawyer and file a case against them and get your money back, or just let it go, because it is not worth wasting your energy on such things. So do whatever it takes. Either go and get completion or release it to the universe. So that is going to give you some renewed energy, which you can focus on things that are truly important to you. So what do you do to get completion in your life? If you have some good ideas, please post them in the comment box below so that others can also benefit from your experience. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. I am Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. Until then, take care.